Hello, I'm here to explain two programs that explains the concept of operator overloading. The first, uh, uh, the first problem is to create a class named rectangle which has length and breadth, and we are overloading the plus operator such that we create two objects of class rectangle, and then we add them both to give another object that has length equal to the sum of length of the first two objects as well as breadth likewise. And so first of all, we define the class rectangle with attributes length and breadth, and the private members. The public members are contains constructors, both constructors. Uh, one without the parameters, which initializes the length and breadth as 0, and the one with the parameters except L and B, that is the length and breadth, and inputs that into the length and breadth respectively. And this function over here is the function that overloads the operator. The data type is rectangle. That means the function returns object. That's why the data type return type is rectangle. And to overload an operator, we this this line is mandatory. We type in operator and followed by the sign which we are going to overload, and then the parameters. In this case, we are accepting the object of accepting another object, that is rectangular. Then inside the function, we create an object called x, and then x dot length, that is the length of that object, is equal to the current length, that is the current object length plus the accepted this object length. We are adding, summing it up, as well as the breadth likewise, and we are returning the object x back to where it was called. And then we have the function display that displays the length of rectangle, and then this main function. inside the main function Inside the main function, we first of all accept the length and breadth of the two rectangles, and then we create the objects, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2, with the respective lengths and breadths. And then we create object of rectangle R3. And then this part is the overloading part, where R3 is equal to R1 plus R2, and the plus over here is overloaded using the function as shown above. And then we are displaying the results. And now let's run the program. First of all, the user is asked to enter the length of the first rectangle, so we type in 12, then the breadth to 20, in the second rectangle 13 and 21, and so the length of the third rectangle is printed as 25, that is 12 plus 13, and the breadth as 20 plus 21 is 41. And that is the end of the first program. The second program is to create a class rectangle, uh, which is quite similar to the first one, and in this one we are asked to compare the the um, area of the two of we are asked to compare the area of the first rectangle and the second rectangle, as well as create a new rectangle with the sum uh, sum of the first two rectangles. And first of all, like the other program, we define the class rectangle, and then there's this function called int area.